Hi everyone, this is Kevin here, and in this video we're going to be discussing a new and exciting device from Blackview called the Blackview BV9800 Pro. So let's get started. So this new device from Blackview is very exciting. It features a retail price of $399, but you get a lot for the money. So let me go into all the different specifications of the device. Starting off, you get a 6.3-inch display at 1080p, so a very large display with the device with a good resolution. The device features USB-C, it has NFC inside, it's IP68 rated, and it features a rugged design. So if you're going hiking, or if you're using it on a job site, or if you're just really bad with keeping your phone in one piece, then using a device like this with a rugged design is definitely for you. Now, the biggest unique feature of the BV9800 Pro is that it features an FLIR thermal imaging camera. So that's very unique. I don't see that very often with devices, especially for a device at that price tag. Now, once I have a chance to actually get a hold of the device and learn how to use that thermal imaging camera to its full potential, I'll have a lot more to talk to you about regarding it. But if you're already familiar with using thermal imaging cameras, then I'm sure you can already think of the many benefits that come along with it. But essentially, when you point the camera at an object, you can see if it's warm or cold. Maybe you're eating dinner and you want to see how warm your steak is. I mean, that's kind of a fun novelty there, I suppose, but you can point the camera at that steak and see what temperature it is, and see if it's too well done or rare. Now, in addition to that, we get an air pressure detection sensor with the phone. The phone features 128 gigabytes of internal storage with 6 gigs of RAM. So a lot of storage and a lot of RAM, pretty much at a flagship level with those two specifications. The phone also features the MediaTek Helio P70, which is a premium budget processor, which will give you good performance. That's the same processor that comes with the Umidigi S3 Pro that I've covered on the channel in the past, and that phone was very quick, very fast, so I'm guessing the BV9800 Pro will be the same exact way. But the benefits don't end there. The phone features a beefy 6,580 milliamp hour internal battery, so a very large battery. Again, that will make the phone great for using on a job site where maybe you don't have access to a charger very often. And also, you'll know that your phone will last very long when using features such as the thermal imaging camera. Now with the phone, we're getting a 48 megapixel main camera that's from Sony, and you get a 5 megapixel secondary depth sensing camera. The phone does feature a 16 megapixel front camera, so always nice to have a good camera for selfies, and it has dual SIM compatibility. So I don't have the phone yet, obviously. This is more of an announcement video about the device, but I'm definitely looking forward to getting my hands on it very soon to come at you with my full review video. Now in the meantime, you can do a couple of things. You can actually go over to Blackview's website and join their giveaway. They're giving away 10 of these devices, so there's definitely a chance that you could win one. And also, they're offering the device right now on Kickstarter. So if you want to back it on Kickstarter, and by the way, the campaign is doing really well, then you can actually save some money on the device. You don't have to pay the full retail price to get it. But this is definitely a very interesting device from Blackview. This is a brand that I'm personally a bit new with, and I have not used any of their products before, but I'm definitely excited to try out this one, and especially to see what all I can do with that thermal imaging camera. But let me know what you think of the phone, and if you'd consider getting one. And again, check out the giveaway and check out their Kickstarter. Definitely some good stuff over there. But I will see you in the next video.